What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Fantom FTM, which has gained an insane amount of value in the last 24 hours. 14%. Again, may not seem like a lot, however the way the crypto market has been performing over the last 2 to 3 weeks, it hasn't been too well, so any green candle will do. So at the moment it is currently valued at just over 79 cents, potentially hitting the dollar mark over the coming weeks. So we're going to be going through what is next for Fantom and looking at, is this a crypto to be investing into in 2024? If so, how high and how low can it go, and covering buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, the crypto is currently trading within the blue zone, but getting very close to hitting the resistance level here. Well, it did hit it earlier today, took a little bit of a dip, but where it's heading to next is it should either resist and drop back down further down into the blue zone, or break out into the top tier level here. But I will be covering that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Fantom, which is here in purple at 70 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at over 78 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, meaning it is not, potentially because the crypto has been taking a little bit of a dip over the last 2 to 3 hours, as you guys can see here. So the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep dropping in value over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is not the case. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Fantom to be trading around 76 to 77 cents in value. So a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment is what my expectations are. However, do expect the odd green candles in between. It is likely to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome does seems to slightly be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what do we see here? Again, the blue line is still looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, and so is the orange line as well, meaning they are not as realistic as they seem. Exact same reason as the previous chart. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I'm expecting Fantom to be heading over 85 cents in value. So yes, at a higher value than where it is at the moment is where I'm expecting Fantom to be heading up to. Reason being is the crypto has taken quite of a dip earlier on in May and April, and right now I'm expecting it to slowly start to hit green candles heading upwards. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is back up to $66,000, meaning yesterday it was up around 7%. So yes, the red days are always part of the process. We are going to see dips in between, but from this point onwards, I'm expecting the market to slowly head upwards, hitting green candles, and I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high over the coming weeks, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market overall, and hence why I'm also expecting Fantom to be heading upwards over the coming week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we have taken a complete U-turn here. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and they're not looking too steep either, meaning this is much more realistic than the previous two graphs. So Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, early to mid July 2024, I'm expecting Fantom to be heading closer to the dollar mark, or even gone past the dollar mark is what my expectations are at the moment. Again, same reason as I explained earlier, I'm expecting the crypto market to be heading upwards. So just about over the dollar mark is what I'm expecting Fantom to be trading at in July. However, if you guys want more regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on my takes and predictions on Fantom. So yeah, this is my take on the crypto at the moment. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as mentioned, we are still trading in the blue zone. Essentially, it should drop back down a little bit further down over the coming days into the blue zone and hit the resistance level of 82 cents over the coming week or so, and then potentially heading into the top tier level towards the end of May, June, July, heading up higher up into the top tier level and going past the dollar mark is what my expectations are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and head into the CoinMarketCap website here. The trading volume has gone up crazy, over 310%, making it $566 million in trading, guys. Again, the reason it's gone up in trading quite a lot is quite obvious. Reason is, as you guys can clearly see, is gained an insane amount of value, meaning a lot more people are currently trading the crypto right now from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning it is getting a lot of attention, and in return the value of Fantom is also pumping up. Over the week it is up 16%, and over the month just about 20%. However, we can see late April, early May, the crypto has been very volatile with both green and red candles, as you guys can see, literally up and down, but it has maintained its value over the last month or so, and right now has taken quite of a major pump, which has brought up the overall increase to 20%. So yeah, this is my prediction on Fantom, guys. A lot of people have been saying it's likely to hit $5, $10 in 2024, which personally is quite of a push. Even the $5 mark is a push for me. I am not expecting the crypto to hit $5 by the end of the year. Potentially getting closer to the $2 mark in Q4 of 2024 is what I would expect. But let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting Fantom to go in 2024? And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.